Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I have a lot of area I have to look after, and I don't mind saying it, I do use weed killer, but I use mine a little bit differently than most people. What I'll do, I'll take a gallon sprayer and I'll fill it all the way up with water, then I'll put the plunger in it and figure out how much space the plunger needs in there. And then I'll pour out a little bit more water and I'll mark that line. That way I know every time to fill it up to there and I'm not having spillages every time. And I did a review on this particular sprayer. I love this sprayer. It is made to spray chemicals and you just don't have problems with it. I've got some I've been using for over a year now. And I do mark my sprayer so I don't mix up stuff. And what I've got is a measuring cup, and for this particular weed killer, it gets 6 ounces of chemical to a gallon of water. And when I put this in there, I mark it, and that way I don't have to, my eyes aren't that good anymore, so that way I can mark to that line. And I'll take and fill that up, and once I've put my chemical and my water together, I'll take and put 2 squirts of dishwashing liquid in there. Now with the dishwashing liquid, they used a liquid soap and napalm in Vietnam to help it clean the trees, to help burn better. And they'll do the same with your Roundup. And you just spray it on. What I do, I don't spray during the heat of the day. I spray in the evening when the sun's not out as bad and it's cooling down. And that way, instead of evaporation of your chemical gets more time to soak into the plant. And I'll take and spray around the base, because what it's doing is pulling in those root systems to kill it. And I'll do a light spray on everything else, but more so you want to stay at the base. And sometimes you won't be able to hit the base that well, but if you get a good spray, I'm not talking about a stream spray, I'm talking about like a cone spray coming out. And a gallon, I can do a heck of a lot with a gallon. A lot of people don't like using weed killer, but if you've got so much to do, you've got to have some help, and it's a big help to me. And I've used it for years and will continue to use it. And you're just careful about it. Don't get the weed killer on your hands. If you do, wash with soap. Don't inhale it. Spray downwind. You don't want to spray yourself. And just use the same container. And you should see getting more bang for your buck by doing that with your weed killer. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.